Hello? Hello, Mrs. Chang. I cannot hear you. Hello? Hel- Hello?
Hel- Hello?
Oh, okay, there you go.
Okay, I'm driving now.
Do you want to still have our class?
No, no, no. Um, uh, I'm possible study.
Okay. You don't want the book right now?
Okay, I don't books. I don't study book.
I see.
Only
Talking?
speaking, talking.
Okay. Yeah, okay.
Okay.
So where are you going now, Mrs. Chang?
I'm going to my home.
Are you going home now? Can you say I'm going home?
Uh, I'm going home.
I see. Okay. Are you almost home or far?
Um, uh, Little far.
A little far?
Okay. Um, um, 1 hour.
Ah, what time are you going home?
Um,
What time are
uh,
you will arrive in your
oh,
house?
okay. 10:20 p.m.
You will arrive at 10:20
Oh, I will arrive ten
at
twenty p.m. Okay. At 10:20 p.m. Maybe.
maybe at 10:20.
Okay.
Ah,
Okay.
okay. Have you eaten your dinner?
Yes.
That's good. What did you eat for dinner, Mrs. Chang?
Um, I eat I ate uh I ate dinner beef.
You
Beef.
ate beef for dinner.
Ah my
I
eat
ate
beef.
beef
I eat beef dinner
for dinner.
for dinner. I eat I eat beef for dinner.
With
I
whom?
eat. Okay. No.
Just you?
No, my mother and sister and me.
Okay. You visited your mom and sister?
Okay.
Oh, that's good. So, what time did you eat dinner?
um uh 7 at 7 p.m.
Okay, that's good. Did you eat a lot?
Did you a lot?
Did you eat
Okay,
a
okay,
lot?
okay. I'm full,
You're full.
full.
Okay. Yeah, be
Okay.
careful driving, Mrs. Chang.
Thank you.
Yeah, okay. So when you get home, what are you doing?
When you get home, what are you doing? When you get home, what are you doing?
Yeah.
집에 가서 뭐 할 거냐고? I will, okay?
Yeah, I will.
I will uh, see my husband.
Okay. Did you miss your husband?
Okay.
Okay. When you're away, do you call him every day?
어, 다시 처음부터. Again.
When you are away, Do you call him
when you
every
are
day? Away.
you call every day away.
Yeah, away is what's this?
Okay, away.
Torojo? Yeah, when you are
Ah,
away, do you
away.
call him every day?
Ah, ah, every day. No, no, no. Um, um, I'm still working.
Uh-huh.
I'm still working.
When I'm
Um,
working.
when I'm working. Um, uh, still what? Still.
Still? What do you mean?
Oh, still. STLL.
Ah, still. I think that
Still.
I don't know that in Korean, but it says
Okay.
here, 잠깐만. I'll do
Um.
translation.
Okay.
유,
Still.
요준희?
여전히.
Mm-hmm.
그러면 아니고 위, 떨어져 있다. 뭐라 그래야 되지? My husband and me. 음, I'm not work. 뭐라고 해야 되지?
Do you talk to him or no every day?
오케이, 오케이. everyday my husband talk.
When you're at work.
어?
When you
work.
are working?
When you're working.
Working, yeah.
Okay, okay.
Do
When
you
you're
talk
working,
do you
do
talk
you
to
talk
him?
him? Okay, my call.
Ah,
Okay, okay, call every day.
you can say I call him when I'm working.
다시, I can.
I call him when I'm
I call him.
working.
I call him when I'm working.
I see. Okay, so you
Okay, okay.
you call
Every
him
day.
every day. Do you miss
Okay.
your husband, Mrs. Chang?
Um, um, be quiet, be quiet. No, be quiet. No.
Okay. No.
Yes, yes, I love him.
What about your daughter? Where's your daughter now?
Um, my daughter, uh, 리부산인데, my daughter is in China.
She's in China right now.
Okay, Federation.
Uh-huh.
Okay,
Ah,
to tennis federation.
when she's going home?
She going home at at no
No. At is for
no.
time.
Okay, okay. She going home
In
um in August
August
20
what?
August 24
Ah,
maybe.
okay. So she will go home this month.
She will go home this month.
I
Okay,
see.
this month. Okay,
Yeah.
24. Right?
Okay. That's
Right?
yeah, you can say this month. If you
Ah,
don't
she
know, if you don't know the date, you can say she will go home this month.
She will go home this month.
I see. Okay. Do you
Okay.
call her every day?
어, 그러면, date. What's date? How state, how state, sentence, how state, 8, August 24.
Ah, you can say on August 24.
Uh, on,
On. Uh-huh.
on 24.
Uh-huh. August 24.
Ah, she will go to home.
She will go home on August 24.
She will go home on August 24.
I see. Okay.
Ah,
But if no
okay.
date, you can say she will go home in August. No date.
Ah, no date. Oh, okay, okay. Okay, I see.
Okay. So she will go
Uh,
home on August 24
she will go home
on
on on
on.
on. She will go home on August 24.
I see. Okay.
Okay. Thank you.
Yeah, you're welcome, Mrs. Chang. So,
Okay.
when she get home, what do you do for her?
Mm, What do you do for her?
Yeah?
Uh,
What do you do for her?
what do you do for her? 걔를 위해서 뭐 할 거냐고? 아, making food, right?
You make food for her?
I make for
I make
right?
food for her.
어, I make food for her. 어,
Ah,
아, for her. 아니, 다시. I make, 그, 다시. Okay.
yeah,
I make,
I will make food for her.
아, I will, I will, I will make, uh, she's like food for her.
You can say, I will make her favorite food.
Our favorite. Oh, I will make
Her favorite food.
for favorite food.
Yeah.
I
I will
will
make her favorite
I will
food.
make her. I will make her. I will make her food. Favorite food.
Yeah, I will
Her.
make her favorite
응.
food.
나는 만들어.
I
I make.
will
I will
make
make
her
her make food.
favorite food. Yes.
아, favorite food.
Mm.
favorite food.
Uh-huh. I will make her favorite food.
I will make her favorite food.
That's good.
Okay. I will make her favorite food.
Yeah.
Okay. 나는
W-
만들어. 오케이,
uh,
오케이.
okay, what's her favorite food, Mrs. Chang?
Um, uh, she's favorite food, 제육볶음.
What's that?
아, 제육볶음 is, pig 뭐지?
Pork.
Pork. Okay, pork. Okay.
Ah.
Pork, pork and gochujang.
Oh yeah, I know gochujang.
Okay. Pork and gochujang and kimchi.
Ah.
Kimchi mix.
Ah, okay. You mix gochujang and kimchi?
Okay?
Yeah, okay. You know, Mrs. Chang,
And
I want to make food. I want to make kimchi here in the Philippines.
you want kimchi?
Yeah, I want to make kimchi here.
Oh,
But I need to buy samjang, right? Is
쌈장.
samjang is for kimchi, right? Or no?
Okay, okay, okay. 아, 쌈장 is 김치.
It's for
다시, okay?
kimchi.
다시 한번. Again?
Okay. What about for white paste? What can I use? The
No,
white,
no, no. 쌈장 and 김치 다시 한번. Again.
but for white paste,
어,
do I need to use apple? It's apple, okay?
apple.
Ah, okay. So apple is okay.
어?
Apple for
apple, apple. Okay, apple.
okay.
Okay?
So yeah,
No, no.
okay, okay.
Apple or
White
what?
paste. White paste.
White paste?
Like for
White?
white sauce.
white sauce.
Yeah.
WHITE.
Uh-huh, yeah, white.
WHITE.
Yeah,
White.
white.
White sauce?
Uh-huh.
아, 제육볶음?
Yeah, what is it?
제육볶음 is red sauce.
Ah,
고추장.
yeah, good. Gochujang.
오케이, 고추장. red sauce.
Uh-huh.
spicy red sauce.
Gochujang, not samjang.
No, no, no. 쌈장 is 비니? 비니?
For finish?
No, no. 된장국?
No, what's that?
된, 된장찌개.
Chige, I know chige, but not
된,
really.
된장.
No, I don't know that.
아, 콩이 영어로 뭐지? 콩? 빈?
Bean.
오케이. B-E-E-N, 빈.
Uh-huh.
코리아 name, 콩,
Hong.
콩.
Kong.
오케이, 콩.
Okay.
빈, 빈. 된장 is, 어, 된장은 콩으로 만들어.
I don't
된장,
understand. Yeah, maybe
오케이.
next time, maybe Miss Chang, we will talk about it. Next
아,
time.
next time, 오케이.
Yeah, because it's hard if there's no English translation.
오케이.
Yeah, okay. So anyway, Miss Chang, we still have 5 minutes more. So can you tell me, Mrs.
어,
Chang, do next week are you going to another town?
no, my home. Next,
Ah,
next
you will
week,
stay
next
home?
week. Okay. Next week, I'm stay home.
Next week I will stay
Ah,
home.
ah, I will stay home. Next
Or you can
week, I will stay home. Okay.
okay, so your day off.
Uh, okay. Two weeks stay home.
Oh, that's good. Do you have
Okay.
plans?
Uh, do you have a plan?
Yeah, do you have any
Uh,
plans?
and no,
What?
I'm I'm sleeping
Uh-huh.
and uh, see you
Uh-huh.
and study English
I
and
see.
sleeping.
Okay. That's good to know. So you will get some rest.
Okay.
Ah, okay, that's good to know, Mrs. Chang. What about what do you do when you are bored?
Word.
Yeah, what do you do when you are bored?
What's word?
Um,
Word.
simsime.
Ah, word.
Yeah, when you feel
uh,
bored, what do you do?
I'm first time here. Word.
Ah, okay. Simsime.
Word. 심심해. 어, 그럼 what do you do? You're
When you
bored?
are bored.
When you're bored. I'm 나는 I will 아니 I'm doing I do I'm doing
Mm-hmm.
what I'm doing I do what
What do you mean?
um I'm I'm bored
Yeah,
I'm
when you are bored.
uh, uh I'm bored tennis and sleep and music
Ah,
and call
you call whom?
call
What call?
to friend call to friend.
Ah, you call your friends.
Okay.
Ah, you talk to your friends.
Okay.
Ah,
I'll
okay.
talk to friend. Okay.
Oh, so you talk to your friends. What about your mom?
Okay.
Oh, how old is your mom, Mrs. Chang?
Ah, old?
How
How
old?
old?
Uh-huh.
Ah, uh, that 58.
Oh, 58?
Okay.
Your mom is 58?
Ah, my mom.
Yeah, your mom.
58 is my year.
Ah, yeah, I was like
It's
58.
me.
Yeah, you're 58. Your mom?
Ah, my mom, 83
Ah,
years
83.
old.
Ah,
Okay, 83 years old.
she's pretty old. Okay. Anyway, Mrs. Chang, I think our lesson is over.
Okay,
Okay, so please keep safe, okay?
okay,
Okay, have a good night, Mrs. Chang, and be careful on your way home. Bye bye for now.
okay. Thank you, Mara.
Bye.
Smart teacher,
Thank you.
Mara.
Okay, bye bye now, Mrs. Chang. Thank you.
Bye bye. Bye bye.